Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use your Cash App card at an ATM. If you're new to Cash App or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Cash App is that handy app for sending money, investing, and yes, even accessing cash on the go with your very own debit card. But before we jump in, make sure your Cash App card is activated. Head to the app and follow the prompts if you haven't already. That way, you'll avoid any headaches at the ATM. Alright, let's get to the steps. First, find an ATM that works with your Cash App card. Most major networks like Visa or MasterCard ATMs should do the trick, but double check in the Cash App for compatible locations. Once you're there, insert your card into the slot, just like you would with any debit card. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. This is crucial for security, so make sure it's something only you know and enter it quickly and discreetly to avoid prying eyes. After entering your PIN, the ATM screen will show you options. Select Withdrawal or Cash Withdrawal from the menu. Then, choose the amount you want to take out. Remember, there might be daily limits set by Cash App, so keep that in mind. Once you confirm, the machine will dispense your cash. Don't forget to grab your card right after. Some ATMs might retract it if you don't. Finally, take your receipt. It's a smart way to track your transactions and spot any errors. And a quick tip. ATMs can charge fees, so look for in-network ones to save money. Always prioritize safety by using well-lit, busy ATMs and monitoring your account for unauthorized activity. There you have it. That's how you use your Cash App card at an ATM in a few simple steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.